is there, Marcela? You haven't done anything. Come on. Everything that is here has been prepared by Katrina.
Nothing is here yet, actually.
Oh, come on.
I'm
that's
trying.
Something. Yeah, so
Yeah.
your fans are still waiting for you to tell
What's
them
that?
some Chilean fans. And they want you to say something in Russian.
In Russian?
Yes.
Добрый вечер, дорогие друзья из Чили.
Oh, and what does it mean?
I just heard Chile.
Good evening, my dear friends from Chile.
And in Spanish that would say, Buenas tardes, mis queridos amigos de Chile. My friend, did you say my friend? Yeah. Yeah, so she's so kind. She nos compró esto solo para nosotros. So yes. Y aquí está Marcela, doing nothing. Nothing but resting.
We cannot watch TV.
Maybe you can if you want to.
Sopa rusa. Vamos a ver cómo está.
Now she realized she
Ok.
wasn't
Estaba
actually
súper
recording.
rica la sopa, súper deliciosa. Le damos un 7.
7, aunque tuve que agregarle un
Marcela, la loca por la sal, las comidas saladas. Pero sí. We give you a 7, which implies an A+.
That would be
A++++++.
Now for me it's just an A+, because I had to add a little bit of salt.
Yeah, I mean, I add salt.
Segundo plato, tallarines. Oh, and she's now taking pictures, so I will stop recording. 7. A+, again, Katrina. You did it.
Is it good?
¿Qué pasa eso? No estaba grabando. Ahora sí. Oh, what is that?
It's a Russian candy, kind of.
Really?
Yes.
Entonces, nuestro postre.
So is that what you're gonna take to the dinner tomorrow?
It's for you.
Marcela, impress.
I'm shocked.
Probando chocolates rusos. Marcela, let's see.
Muka hasebebe. And now you say it, please.
Мишка на севере.
Ok. ¿Se lo aprendieron?
It's the same what I said.
Right.
Let's see her reaction. Veamos la reacción de Marcela.
But I love this.
Come on.